The MPH-14 heat pumps are made in Mexico by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. The units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA and only have an average guarantee without unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. They are field convertible between horizontal and down flow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The brand offers an optional electric heat kit in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts and have an insulated antimicrobial drain pan to inhibit mold growth. They use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as good for the planet as brands with R-32 refrigerant. The MPH-14 models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency, a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, and a 78 decibel sound rating, which is roughly equivalent to the sound from an alarm clock. The units use basic time defrost control instead of demand-based, which can waste energy when they cause the system to do unnecessary defrost cycles. The units use quiet shift technology, where the compressor is turned off prior to entering or exiting the defrost mode, which lowers the pressures and makes for quieter operation as well as minimizing the wear and tear on the reversing valve. The universal heat pumps feature state-of-the-art inverter compressor technology and have a 17.8 CR cooling efficiency with an 8.8 HSPF heating efficiency. The units can be field converted for horizontal airflow, and they feature intelligent defrosting for energy savings. They use state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant flow control, but they use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R-32. The units are very quiet with noise levels down to 65 decibels and coated coils to resist corrosion. The warranty on the units is only average, as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, and they use a wire coil guard to protect the condenser coil, which does not actually do much to protect the coil from hail damage. The universal models are made in China by HvacRepairGuy, and the brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.